Hey, what's up, free coin? This is the latest update of free coin to upcoming days. Free coin moving up or fails down, and what's the current condition? Free coin is moving up or fails down. Let's start. This time, my friend, the free coin is fails now. To what's the reason today fails down? I also tell you, my friend, in this video. So kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon. Yes, press bell icon for videos notification, because this channel is update you every time the latest news and updates. Okay, my friends, come to the point. Free coin as this time, my friends, change occur as a negative in the last 7 days chart. This is the first week of this month, especially, my friend, first week of May month, my friend. They are completely fails down, and every cryptocurrencies and those days very badly fails down. And what's the reason, my friend? There are two big reasons to their fails down. The first big reason is that, my friends, this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency fails down in the start of month, especially Dogecoin, one of the viral coin this time in the all crypto market. He is also fails down, my friend, and this time in the crypto market. Elon Musk, if you know, the owner of my friend, this time the CEO of this time, my friend, and a Dogecoin, absolutely told us to Dogecoin and those days fails down, but definitely after 1 week they take a jump. But this time, absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time also the free coin has also take a good jump, my friend. I hope in upcoming days. So kindly, my friends, try to understand to don't sell it. I hope this is the first week. I hope, my friend, and the second week they're moving up like a rocket. If we check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the 1 hour, absolutely, my friend, this is congratulations for all of you. Today change occurs in positive, and the current, you can see here the last 1 hour latest update. You can see here this time the change occur is plus 1.44% going up. I think this is definitely going to very special and very good from all holder, especially short time investor. If you are a short time investor, then definitely I hope they give you a good profit at the end of May, at the end of this month. They make you a millionaire. And if you are a long time investor like me, then definitely don't sell it. I sell it in 2022, so therefore I hope they make me a millionaire. They give you $1. If they give you $1, then definitely they make you a millionaire. So please, this time you can see here, my friends, this time free coin is completely moving up like a rocket. In the last 1 hour they're starting jumping now. So please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for latest updates and news. Thanks for watching.